Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen from scratch. First, let's start with the heart of any great ramen, the broth. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken bones, some ginger, garlic, and a piece of kombu. Combine these in a large pot with 12 cups of water. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 3 hours or even longer for a richer taste. Remember to skim off any impurities that rise to the surface. Next, let's tackle the noodles and the tare, which is your seasoning concentrate. For the noodles, combine 2 cups of bread flour with 1/2 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of kansui. Knead until smooth, then roll and cut into thin strands. For the tare, mix 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of dashi. Cook your fresh noodles in rapidly boiling water for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are perfectly al dente. Now for the fun part, toppings and assembly. Classic ramen toppings include tender chashu pork, which you can prepare ahead of time, and perfectly soft-boiled eggs with a jammy yolk. Don't forget to slice some fresh green onions and cut a few sheets of nori seaweed. To assemble, place 1 tablespoon of your tare in the bottom of a bowl, add the hot noodles, then pour in your simmering broth. Arrange your toppings artfully on top. Finally, it's time to savor your incredible homemade ramen. For an extra kick, you might add a drizzle of chili oil or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Take a moment to appreciate the layers of flavor you've created, from the deep broth to the springy noodles and savory toppings. This dish is truly a labor of love, and it's so rewarding to enjoy something made from scratch. If you love diving into new worlds, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.